Today, we are all facing the problem of COVID-19. And this is not only a problem which we are facing in India, the world is facing this problem. I feel that now this is the time for Indian society not only fight against COVID-19, but to fight against this economic war. And it is important for all of us to win this war. I request you, all of you, that now we need to learn the art of living with COVID-19. So this is the time for the country for decentralization of industry, decentralization of wealth, to create more employment potential in rural, agriculture and tribal India. We need to use the raw material which are available in the forest, agro-processing industries, food processing industries, biofuel industries, handloom, handicrafts, khadi gramodyog. These are all very important sectors where we need to work more for that. There is a huge potential for export. Regarding the MSME also, we are now trying that how we can reduce our import. For that reason, it is a opportunity for MSME for upgradation of technology, and that is very important. Already India, there is a huge possibility because of research and because of new innovations, lot of technologies are available. I always talking with the people and convincing them that the knowledge is the power. The innovation, entrepreneurship, science, technology, research, skill and successful practices, we name it as a knowledge, and conversion of knowledge into wealth is the future for the country. Conversion of waste into wealth and conversion of knowledge into wealth is the two important subjects which are very much touching to my heart. I feel that this is the time for all Indian MSMEs for upgradation in technology, by which we can reduce our logistic cost, power cost, labor cost and production cost. I feel that now this is the time for the country that by taking the advantage of the technology, we can resolve the problems of the MSME, and already we have one portal named as a Champion, and where already we have received the grievances of MSMEs, and we have already 90% of the grievances already resolved by the ministry.
Micro, small and medium enterprises have played a big role and have been the backbone of Indian economy for a long time. And I do believe that if Indian economy has to achieve its true potential, the MSME segment will play a pivotal role in making that happen. The other key development which has happened over the last few years is the digitalization of our lives and the way we conduct business. If you look around the way we live our life now, whether you are learning or working or connecting, communicating, consuming entertainment or consuming data in any way, the entire digitalization has actually made a significant impact on that. As far as the businesses are concerned, the biggest impact in my mind that digitalization has made is in terms of democratizing the entire business environment. So what I mean by democratizing the business environment is that in this new world, any business, small, medium, large, has equal potential or equal opportunity to reach its end customers or to get the resources that they need to do business. It's both in terms of getting to your customers and getting the right resources. One has a very, very democratic environment now, and digitalization has played a big role in that. The current pandemic has actually brought digitalization to the forefront. Who would have imagined that all our kids would be doing schooling from home just 2 years back? Or who could have imagined that you would be conducting business either sitting in your office or even sitting at your home and connecting with the entire world, not only within the country, but globally, you're connected and conducting business in a very seamless manner. Can you imagine a world where we don't have the current level of digitalization? It's unimaginable. The world would have stopped, right? So that's what the way things have transformed with this new environment. Some of the things which have really helped it, make it so prevalent is seamless communication, seamless connectivity, uh, data availability to businesses in a very seamless fashion. One can predict your demand. One can plan your supply chain. Just looking at the data, sitting in your office and doing all the analytics, sitting there. Uh, in terms of productivity, the way we combine humans and machines now and get best of both the worlds is really helping not only efficiency but also cost productivity. And all this leads to making the enterprises highly competitive in a pretty competitive world that we have out there. A very very interesting time for the overall economy. I would say even more interesting time for the MSME segment. And I would urge at this point of time for the MSME segment to adopt the this digital world with open arms. Make sure that you make it part of your how you run your business, how you run your demand, how do you run your supply, how do you plan your products, how do you plan your engagement with your customers in a very very seamless fashion. This is what this new world is offering you. At Dell, we've been partnering on an ongoing basis with the MSME segment. We do believe that this is a segment that will play a big role as the economy grows to the next level. We are also a company which provide end-to-end technology, which helps in transforming businesses, which helps in human progress. And we do believe that as these MSME segments adopt digitalization in a more quicker and faster manner, we would like to partner very closely with them to make it really effective for them, make it productive for them, and help them in their competitiveness as they conduct their business.
Saket, what do you think? Small businesses are clearly key drivers of growth and catalysts of the country's economic growth. But what kind of technological tools do MSMEs need to adopt for a thriving and productive workplace?
Technology has been on the forefront of all the work, because telemedicine, I would say, is not possible without the technology. Regarding that, I would say the AI and IoT devices are actually one of the ones which help a lot in the digital transformation of the healthcare technology. Okay, AI based analytics and data analytics are becoming very crucial, in all forms of MSMEs. Customer behaviors and preferences are changing day by day. So to analyze data or what to say, use of AI in
It's critical
identifying identifying the what customer needs is like very very crucial. Okay, IoT is also playing a huge role, especially in the healthcare sector. Where we have connected health devices, we can monitor patients' data from like hundreds of kilometers away from them. So that is something we believe are very important for MSMEs. Blockchain is also technology which is maturing day by day and may revolutionize I would say data security. But I still feel that AI and IoT are gonna play a much bigger role for MSMEs than maybe blockchain.